You may know Ollama has a tool that runs AI models directly on your computer, but now there's also something called Ollama Cloud. So what is it actually? So Ollama Cloud is the hosted version of Ollama. Instead of running AI models on your laptop's CPU or GPU, the models run on remote service. The device just sends a prompt and receives the response. And now why it exists and which problem it solves. So local Ollama is private and free to run, but it needs a strong computer. Large models also require lots of RAM, powerful GPU, and long download times. Ollama Cloud removes that hardware requirement. How it works. So the workflow becomes this: your app, then internet, cloud service, AI model, and then responds back to you. It behaves similar to an AI API service, but built around the Ollama ecosystem. And now the difference between the local. So a local one runs on your PC, fully private, uses your hardware. And on the cloud, runs on remote service, no hardware needed, works everywhere. And why developers use it? So they use it to run large models, deploy apps online, avoid managing GPUs, and scale automations. So Ollama Cloud pretty much is a Ollama just without the hardware. Same idea, but hosted online instead of your computer. So that's the explanation. Guys, hopefully this helps you. And if it did clear out some dust, don't forget to press like on the video, and see you soon.